day 2 of my day to the gym, but today is so hot. Imagine the temperatures today here are going up to 36 degrees. The last time I checked it was 37, now it has gone to 36. But regardless, it's better to have the sun than to have the storm or the rain, especially during this summer. I heard how the sun is behind me, so you won't really have a nice view from the camera. Just a little bit of warm up, then I can start on the workout straight. Alright, my people, just finished day 2 workout and I'm so grateful. It actually went on well and I was able to do literally all the things I thought about. Always, I think the first days when you come back to the gym or when you start working out, they're the hardest because the body is going to complain. I mean, it gives you feedback, hey, that there is actually something happening. So but for my second workout, I feel fine, and I think tomorrow when I come back, I'll be able even to do better and to get stronger and to recover faster. Most of the times when it comes to working out, you start with so much fire, but at the end of the day, you've given up and you're no longer showing up. I don't want that to happen. I hope I'll stay consistent and get back in shape, or not really get back in shape, but regain my fitness. I would have wished to go swimming, but looks like the sun is dying out. I think I'll just go home and shower, catch some movie or read some book or just relax. Now, as I'm making this video, it is about 8:30 and the sun is still out. Maybe the other thing I didn't mention in the video I released yesterday or something was regarding the sun. During summer, obviously since the different season, that's why the days are longer. So the sun comes out at about 4:30 in the morning and goes or sets at around 9 p.m. I've invented my own recipe for rice today, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Oh, that's what I'm preparing. And these are the vegetables I'll be adding in the rice. And I have already done the cooking oil thing, getting it warm, putting in the onions and then the tomatoes, and then water. Now I've put in carrots. After that, I am going to add this for a few minutes, for about like 5 minutes. Then I'll add the rice and then we are good to go. The biggest problem while in the kitchen is adding too much salt. The rest is secondary. Too much water, okay. Too less water, okay. Too much spices, okay. Too less spices, okay. But the moment you add too much salt, you are doomed. So far, this is the economic activity taking place. Just giving you a heads up so you know this is not Photoshop. Some of you think we are only Photoshopping all the time. No, this is not Photoshop. This is for real. I am in the kitchen. You guys are always having zalao, thinking that some of us cannot do some things. But today, you're going to be disappointed by yourself. Austria, I think the speed limit is to 130 or something, but in Germany you can cruise to 200 somewhere. But the cars here, most of them are having the speed limit on the how is it called? That speed thing. It goes to up to 260. I don't know if some cars have 300, but the most I've seen goes up to 260. So that is another tunnel, one of the tunnels that you go through in some places as you're approaching some towns in Austria or some villages. So I think now we are approaching the city in Linz, and up here there are maybe roads or trains or passing. So down is an underground, and there is some kind of a tunnel with these lights here, and so we take the underground, then before we know we are now in the city. So you see this little guy here. This little guy here is electric. He's a scooter. All you have to do is to press a button and it will take you wherever you want, for as long as the streets are clear and for as long as it has battery. So to have access to this, they are actually public. They are, I think, owned by a company called Lime, but there are many other also brands that are having these electric scooters around here. But for this specifically, you need to have an app, and that app you'll have to connect it with your bank and pay some money. I think it's €1 to start, but then every distance, then it's charging you some cents of euros, and you'll be able to use it. You can pause, go do something, and then come back again, resume with your journey. And I have been having rides for the last couple of minutes. So here is actually, it's indicating the charge of the battery, and here it has a headlight, which is basically for letting the other people know that something is coming from their end. It has this bell over here, and here is the battery. Here is the battery, and that's how it looks like, even with a backlight over right here. It's really a good thing, and can take you to speeds of up to, I think, 30 kilometers per hour. So anyway, I think I fell in love with this thing. It gives you so much freedom, and it's environmental friendly, and I think I'm enjoying it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment box below if you like me to review something else that is electric, maybe a Tesla. Here is actually a couple of others you can rent. You can rent this, you can rent this, and there is another there, and many other brands, not only this but other brands. But you realize many people are falling off these things, so they are pretty dangerous if you're not that careful. So you really have to watch out for yourself and for your life when you are having rides. Anyway, that was it all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.